Hello everybody. Today we are going to start a new chapter from our RBSc syllabus of the class 10, chapter number 16, surface area and volume. And in the previous class we have completed our chapter number 15, circumference and area of the circle. So let's start from the basic and the formulas which are related with the areas and volume. So our first exercise of the 16th chapter, 16.1 exercise is based on the cube and cuboid. So first of all, formulas I am writing here which are related with the cuboid. So let's discuss. A cuboid is a three-dimensional structure or figure in which there are total 6 surfaces and the opposite surfaces are equal to each other. Like this is a cuboid and it is length, this is breadth, and there is a height. Each surface of cube and cuboid are perpendicular to each other. It means length is perpendicular to height and height is perpendicular to breadth and the breadth is perpendicular to length. Are you agree? So first formula is total surface area. Meaning of the total surface area means the area of 6 surfaces, which is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. इसमें क्या होगा कि जितने सरफेस आपके पास क्यूबॉइड के अवेलेबल हैं, लेफ्ट राइट अप डाउन एंड front and back, total 6, sum of these surfaces area of this will be 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now the second formula, lateral surface area. Lateral surface area meaning होता है area of 4 walls like a room. रूम में बॉटम छोड़ दें, टॉप छोड़ दें, मीन्स रूफ छोड़ दें और फ्लोर छोड़ दें, तो फिर अपने पास जो 4 वॉल बचती हैं उनका एरिया 2 into length plus breadth into height. Third is volume, जो कि होता है length into breadth into height. अब एक फॉर्मूला और बचता है इसमें, वो मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूं. देखो, इस कॉर्नर से या फिर इस कॉर्नर से इसके जस्ट अपोजिट जो कॉर्नर होगा, वर्टेक्स बोलते हैं वैसे इसको. इन ए क्यूबॉइड देयर आर टोटल, दीज आर नोन एज द एजेस. सो नंबर ऑफ एजेस इज इक्वल्स टू 12. वर्टेक्स इज इक्वल्स टू, दीज आर वर्टेक्स, एंड इन द प्लूरल फॉर्म वर्टिसेस, नंबर ऑफ वर्टिसेस आर 8 and number of faces are 6. ये जो वर्टेक्स है, इस वर्टेक्स से जस्ट अपोजिट में जो वर्टेक्स होगा, इनके बीच की जो डिस्टेंस होती है वो एक क्यूबॉइड का डायगोनल कहलाती है. सो लेंथ ऑफ द डायगोनल इज इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट L स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर plus H square. These are the basic formulas which are related with the cuboid, and in the question sometimes we do not able to apply the direct formulas because the conditional questions will be there. So we'll analyze the question and according to the condition we will divide our formula or the separate our formula. So the next structure about we have to discuss, which is cube. So first of all, note it down. Second is cube. A cube is also known as a cuboid. But in this, all the surfaces are congruent to each other. कॉन्ग्रुएंसी का मतलब ये हो गया कि उनकी लेंथ, ब्रेथ और हाइट तीनों सेम हो। ये जो लेंथ होगी इसको ये भी उतनी होगी जितनी ये है, मीन्स सभी एक जैसी इक्वल होंगी। तो ये हो गया अपना क्यूबॉइड। फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला, टोटल सरफेस एरिया is equals to 6 into a square, where a is the length of edge of a cube. Second formula, lateral surface area, it means area of 4 walls of the cube, which is 4a square. And third, volume is equals to a cube. And the last, diagonal is equals to under root 3a or a root 3. Clear? So I can write this one also, and without wasting the time, let's start the exercise from the question number first. Exercise 16.1. First question of this exercise is, a cuboid is 12 centimeter long, 9 centimeter wide and 5 centimeter high. Length of cuboid for given length is equals to 12 centimeter. Breadth is equals to 9 centimeter. And height is equals to 5 centimeter. Calculate the total surface area of the cuboid. What we have to calculate? Total surface area. Then formula of the total surface area is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. For each and every question you have to write the formula also in the answer, because it contains the marks also, and if you will write again and again, so it will fix in your mind. Now apply all the values. 2, length is 12, breadth is 9, plus breadth is 9, height is 5, plus height is 5, and length is 12. Now multiply this. 108, 45 and 60. Add these 2, 45 plus 60, 105, 213. Answer is 426 centimeter square. Apply the unit also. The unit of area is always in square formation. All the measurements are given in the centimeter. Then apply square of centimeter or centimeter square. Now the question number 2. Three cubes with as 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Dimensions of 3 cubes. Dimensions of 3 cubes are given here. Edges are given of each and every cube, and we denote the length of as a cube by A, but there are 3 cubes, so I am taking A1 is the length of edge of first cube, which is equals to 8 centimeter, and A2 is the length of edge of the second cube, which is 6 centimeter, and last one A3 is edge of the third cube, which is 1 centimeter. Now what we have to calculate respectively are meld together and formed into a single cube. मीन्स इन क्यूब्स को मेल्ट करके और रिकास्ट किया गया है एक नए क्यूब में, then what will be the total surface area of the cube? अब देखो, in this case we have to calculate the total surface area of the cube, which is 6a square, when a is length of as of क्यूब. ठीक है, लेंथ ऑफ एज ऑफ क्यूब होती है, तो पहला काम तो अपना ये रहेगा, फर्स्ट टारगेट इज वी विल कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए. अब बात ये आती है कि इनको रिकास्ट, जब भी रिकास्ट या फिर मेल्ट और एक कंटेंट में से एयर की बात की जाती है या फिर उसके अंदर की कैपेसिटी की बात की जाती है, इन दिस सिचुएशन वी विल कैलकुलेट द वॉल्यूम. तो इसको मेल्ट किया, इसको मेल्ट किया और इसको मेल्ट किया, तीनों को मिक्स किया, मींस द वॉल्यूम ऑफ फर्स्ट क्यूब प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ सेकंड क्यूब प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ थर्ड क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू volume of new cube is formed by melting this new cube. Now formula for this one, A1 cube, and formula for this one, A2 cube, and for this one, A3 cube is equals to, for this A cube. Apply all the possible values. 8 cube plus 6 cube plus 1 cube is equals to A cube. 8 cube is equal to 512 plus 216 plus 1 is equals to A cube. Now add these, 9 2 7 is equals to A cube, and for this 927 is a cube of 9. So we can write A cube is equals to 9 cube, cube cancelled by cube, A is equals to 9. This is the length of edge of new cube is formed by melting these three cubes. Now what we have to calculate, volume of this cube, sorry, total surface area. Total surface area of the given new cube, which will be 6a square, then 6 into 9 square is equals to 6 into 81. Finally 486 centimeter square. Clear? So now copy it right now. The next question I am starting, question number 3. Question number 3 is given, the dimensions of a box are. So length is equals to, dimensions are given in this formation, 50 centimeter, 36 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 36 centimeter and 25 centimeter. And the meaning of this one is, this is length, this is breadth, and it will be height. So length is equals to 50 centimeter, breadth is equals to 36 centimeter, and height is equals to 25 centimeter. Now according to the given situation, what we have to calculate, how many square centimeter of the cloth is needed to make a cover for this box. Means हमें इस box को cloth से cover करना है, so it will cover the surface of each face of this cuboid. तो सभी dimensions are, सभी अलग अलग है, all are unequal. Therefore we can say that this box is in the form of cuboid. अब हमें इसके ऊपर क्लॉथ से कवर करना है, जो कि क्या कवर करेगा, इसके फेसेस को कवर करेगा, मींस इट विल कवर द एरिया ओनली. सो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द एरिया, total surface area of the cuboid, and the formula is 2lb plus bh plus hl. Now apply all the values in this formula, and after calculate you will get your final answer. Now question number 4th. The area of each face of a cube is 100 centimeter square. It is given that area of face of a cube is equals to 100 centimeter square, and the face of a cube is like a square, because let's suppose this is a face of a cube. This is equals to length and height, both are equal, and breadth is also equal. So we can say that it is looking like a square, means A into A, and the area of this one is given. So therefore we can say that it is the area of a square, and area of a square is A square is equals to 100. A square is equals to 10 to the power 2. Cancel. A is equals to 10. So this is the length of this cube. Now what we have to calculate? The cube is cut into two equal parts by a parallel line to the base. Then find the total surface area of each equal part. Now look here. This cube is divided into two parts by a parallel line with the base, and both the parts are equal to each other. One part is this one and one the upper one. This length was 10 centimeter, so remain constant, there is no changes. And this is the breadth or 10 centimeter, but height has divided or split it in two parts which are equal. So the first part is the 5 centimeter and the another part is also 5 centimeter. Now we'll write after dividing or after splitting or after cutting. After dividing this cube by a line in two equal parts, the length will be, length क्या होगी आपकी 10 सेंटीमीटर, breadth is equals to again 10 centimeter, and the height will change and divided in two equal part, and therefore the height is equals to 5 centimeter. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the area or total surface area of both the cuboids. Now a total surface area of each cuboid, the same formula, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now apply these three values in this formula and calculate. You will reach to your answer. Now the next question. Number fourth हो गया ना, fifth question is an open box is made of wood 3 centimeter thick. ये कोई open box है, अपन समझने के लिए इतना समझ सकते हैं बस. This is open and the thickness of which is made by the wood, and the thickness of the wood is 3 centimeter. तो ये 3 हो जाएगी, ये भी 3, और देखो ये thickness भी 3. बात समझ में आ गई? Its external length, breadth and height are. External length या फिर ऐसे लिख देता हूं एक्सटर्नल लेंथ, इसको अपन कैपिटल एल से डिनोट कर लेते हैं, इज इक्वल्स टू 146 सेंटीमीटर, 146 सेंटीमीटर. एक्सटर्नल ब्रीथ इज इक्वल्स टू कैपिटल बी 116 centimeter, and the external height capital H, which is 83 only, 83 centimeter. These dimensions are external dimensions of the given cuboid, which is opened from the top. Find the cost of painting the inner surface at the rate of ₹2 per 1000 square centimeter. अब देखो हमें क्या करना है, हमें यहां पे इसके पेंट करना है इंटरनल सरफेस एरिया और उसका कॉस्ट कैलकुलेट करना है. तो ये सरफेस ही कवर करेगा, ये तो है नहीं कि पेंट से भर दिया इस पूरे बॉक्स को जिससे कि वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट हो. अब ये सिर्फ टोटल सरफेस एरिया कैलकुलेट होगा. So to calculate the inner surface area of this cuboid, we need the internal dimensions with the internal length, internal breadth, and the internal height of this cuboid. So let's suppose this is the length. One time I am considering that it is the external length, then internal length is this. External length is 146 centimeter. But then the internal length will become, we have to remove the thickness of the wood from the external length. ये पार्ट इधर से रिमूव होगा, ये पार्ट इधर से रिमूव होगा, मीन्स 3 centimeter from here and 3 centimeter from here, total 6 centimeter removed from this one, and the remaining distance or the length is will be 140 centimeter. अब अपन यहां ये लिख देते हैं, थिकनेस ऑफ वुड इज इक्वल्स टू 3 सेंटीमीटर. इंटरनल लेंथ, नाउ इंटरनल लेंथ स्मॉल एल, सेम मत कर देना, कैपिटल एल ले लिया तो ये स्मॉल एल, या फिर इसको L1 ले लो, इसको L2 ले लो, is equals to 146 minus 6 is equals to 140 centimeter. Internal breadth small b, 116 minus 6 is equals to 110 centimeter. And the internal height small h 83. अब देखो ये हाइट है, तो हाइट में ऊपर तो कहीं पर वुड यूज हुई नहीं है, तो जो भी है वो ये माइनस होगी, ऊपर से एज इट इज रहेगा. 83 माइनस 3 सेंटीमीटर ओनली, देन रिजल्ट इज 80 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ कैलकुलेट द रिक्वायर्ड एरिया विच कैन बी पेंट. रिक्वायर्ड एरिया for painting will be, एक काम करो, देखो एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स प्लस एरिया ऑफ बॉटम. वन मेथड इज दिस कि आप लेटरल सरफेस एरिया कैलकुलेट करो और जो भी इसका फ्लोर है वो इसमें ऐड कर दे, जो बॉटम है इसका वो ऐड कर दे, या फिर calculate the total or entire surface area which is internal or the internal total surface area and then remove the top. दोनों ही केस में आपके पास क्या हो जाए, मैं लेटरल सरफेस एरिया यूज ले रहा हूं यहां पे, इज इक्वल्स टू 2 एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स और एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स ऑफ दिस बॉक्स प्लस एरिया ऑफ बॉटम. Area of 4 walls is equals to 2 into length plus breadth into height. Do not use the capital length, breadth and height because the capital length LBH are different from the small LBH. Plus area of bottom. Area of bottom consists of 2 dimensions only, in which length and breadth. length, then and which is the in shape of the rectangular, then the area of rectangle is it will be length into width. Now apply all values in this case. 2 into length is 140 plus width is 110 into height is 80 plus length is 140 plus into width is 110 into 250 into 80 प्लस इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 0 0 4. Now multiply this one. 15 4s 100, 200, 400. 0 0 plus 15400, and finally answer is 55400 centimeter. 55400 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ये तो इसका रिक्वायर्ड एरिया आ गया. अब हमें कैलकुलेट क्या करना था? वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस पेंट. ना कॉस्ट ऑफ जो आपको दे रखा है, कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग और कलरिंग एट पर 1000 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू ₹2. मतलब कि 1000 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर का जो कॉस्ट लग रहा है वो 1 रुपी और 2 रुपीज लग रहा है. देन कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग एट पर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर विल बी 2/1000 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ये कौन सा मेथड काम है? सॉरी रुपीज है. ये कौन सा मेथड काम मिल रहा हूं? यूनिटरी मेथड. अब ये पर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर कॉस्ट है, बट वी हैव द टोटल एरिया इज दिस वन. देन राइटिंग हियर टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ 55400 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर विल बी 2/1000 into 55400. 20 cancel by this multiply this. 2 into 8011/10. Finally answer is ₹110.8. आप चेक कर लेना कोई मिस्टेक ना हो जाए बस ये कैलकुलेशन में. क्लियर? So finally we have completed our 5th question.